Hello guys, in today's video we have an unboxing and presentation of the new Ulefone Armor 12S smartphone, which comes with the high specifications and the incredibly low price. The Armor 12S is powered by the powerful and energy efficient Helio G99 processor and provides up to 13GB of RAM, which means 8GB are built in, plus additional 5GB of virtual memory and 128GB of internal memory space. The device also features a large 6.52-inch waterdrop screen and a 5180 mAh battery with support for both 18 watts fast and 15 watts wireless charging. The Ulefone Armor 12S includes 4 rear-mounted cameras, a 50MP main camera, a 8MP wide-angle camera, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. The device also runs on the latest Android 12S. It has several other useful features such as a dual HiFi speakers, support for headset-free FM radio, face unlock, and a fingerprint ID, NFC, and much more. I don't need to mention that it's resistant to all weather conditions, water, and shocks. You can find the new Ulefone Armor 12S at a good price by visiting the official Ulefone sales link here below this video. Hurry up because quantities are limited. That will be all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye.